Hello guys, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, today's topic is how to make your own poster in PowerPoint on Ambedkar Jayanti. Let's start. First, we have to open PowerPoint. It's opening. It will take some time. Mm, Let me try it again. How much time? Okay, it's gonna take time. Slow down, guys. It's just be patient for some time. It is gonna just there is it. I don't know why it is not responding and lagging. I don't care. Don't personal. Finish. I don't know what is this one. Uh, and first you have to go to new slide and take blank page and just cut this one, and this will be the our first blank page, and we are gonna open Google. And now, as you know, Ambedkar Jayanti. Uh, 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 okay. Ambedkar Jayanti. Images, and let's choose this one. Like this one. You can't take any of them, and you can make your own posters. And that's today's topic. And we have to just copy it, and like vgis.com blah blah. I'm gonna tell you how to do that, how to just you have to just do this. Format background. It's taking some time. Yeah, not responding. That's why. And you have to just go here and I drop and take this one, or take this one. Oh wait, I have to take I drop again. It's okay. If you don't want to use this, just do like this, this, and this. And now, as you know, there is something here we wishes, and we are gonna make our own poster. So let's make our own poster. And you have to go to insert and text box, and there is our text box. And let's take this. I don't know what's going on today with this thing. And there is it. And we have to just take this and right click, and we have to just like theme color black. Why isn't it? Okay. Yeah. Now, if you are thinking something is obvious that it's not looking like that, so just you have to go here and I drop. Take this one. Easy. Now it's like that. And let's get any of our points like on Ambedkar Jayanti, like Okay. Yeah. So let's notes. And there is it, and we have to go on all and let's check the top is 25 blah blah after that. And there are some life should be greater rather than long. These are the things you can't take any of them. Like I just choose this one. Any no. I saw one of them. Let's take this one. A great man is different from any imant. One in that he is ready to be the servant of society. This I don't know what is this all about. And you have to just take another insert and text box. There is it. You can just do like that. And uh, it's taking some time. I'm sorry about that. There is it. Control V. Now we are gonna just take this. Okay. And just take this. And if you're thinking that it isn't looking good, so you can do like that also, and like this and this. And this is for the today's video to how to make your own poster on Ambedkar Jayanti. And have a great day and happy Ambedkar Jayanti. This is for the today's video. Bye. Meet you soon in next video.